Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are discuss about list and uses of emergency drugs which are maintained in crash card of hospital worldwide. Choice of drugs are different from hospital to hospital. It depend on decision of critical care in charge or other medical official of hospital. Injection adrenaline used in event of cardiac arrest. It treats anaphylactic shock and reaction used for control superficial bleeding. It may also be used for asthma when other treatments are not effective. Injection atropine used to treat bradycardia. It also used as an antidote of organophosphate poisoning. 25% dextrose or sometimes 50% dextrose is used to treat hypoglycemia, hyperkalemia, and diabetic ketoacidosis. Injection aminophylline. Injection aminophylline is used to reduce bronchospasm in COPD and asthma. Injection adenosine. Injection adenosine is used to revert supraventricular tachycardia, that is SVT. Injection amiodarone. Injection amiodarone is an antiarrhythmic medicine. It is used to treat and prevent irregular heartbeats, that is ventricular tachycardia, ventricular fibrillation, wide complex tachycardia. It is also used in treatment of atrial fibrillation, proximal supraventricular tachycardia. Injection Avil. Injection Avil is used to treat allergic reaction. Injection Darifalin. Injection Darifalin is used to treat asthma, breathing difficulty, wheezing sound, and chest tightness. Injection Dexamethasone is used to treat severe allergic reaction and asthma and in COPD. Injection Diclofenac. Injection Diclofenac is used in management of pain alone or with other opioids and analgesic. Injection Dobutamine. Injection Dobutamine is used to treat heart failure, which is caused by cardiac surgery or septic or cardiogenic shock. It can also be used in cases of congestive heart failure to increase cardiac output. Injection digoxin. Injection digoxin is used to treat heart failure and irregular heartbeats. Injection dopamine. Injection dopamine act as stimulant drug and used in treatment of low blood pressure, slow heart rate, and cardiac arrest. Injection ethamsilate. Injection ethamsilate is used to prevent or stop bleeding. Injection flumazenil. Injection flumazenil is used to reverse sedative effect of certain medication. It may also be used to treat drug overdose. Injection heparin. Injection heparin is used to treat or prevent blood clots. It is used to prevent blood clots in lungs and legs, including in patients with AF, and it is used to treat certain blood clotting disorder. Injection hydrocortisone. Injection hydrocortisone is used to treat severe allergic reaction. It is also used to treat certain kind of autoimmune disease such as condition of skin, asthma, and other lung conditions. Injection potassium chloride or KCl is used to treat hypokalemia. Injection furosemide. Injection furosemide is used to treat of acute or chronic heart failure and other state of fluid overload. It is also used to treatment of decreased hypertension and decreased hyperkalemia. Injection lidocaine. Injection lidocaine is used to treat irregular heart rhythm that may signal a possible heart attack. Injection lidocaine is anti-arrhythmic drug. It is used for treatment of ventricular arrhythmia, that is for acute myocardial infarction, and digoxin poisoning, cardioversion and cardiac catheterization if amiodarone is not possible or contraindicated, and for local anesthetic. Injection methylprednisolone. Injection methylprednisolone is used to treat severe allergic reaction and immune system disorder. Injection midazolam. Injection midazolam is used to treat an emergency treatment of prolonged seizure. Injection naloxone. Injection naloxone is used an antidote of opioid overdose. Injection non-adrenaline or non-epinephrine. It is used to increase heart rate, used for increase critically low blood pressure. Injection nitroglycerin. It used to decrease accelerated hypertension and decrease chest pain, that is angina pectoris. Injection paracetamol. Injection paracetamol is relieve fever and mild to moderate pain. Injection palm. Injection palm is used an antidote of organophosphate poisoning. Injection soda bicarbonate. Used to treat severe metabolic acidosis, generally if pH is less than 7.1. It is also used to treat high blood potassium, that is hyperkalemia. It is also used to treat tricyclic antidepressant overdose and cocaine toxicity and other poisoning. Injection Phenargon and promethazine. Injection Phenargon is used to sedate anxious and agitated persons, and it is also used to reduce nausea and vomiting and those severe allergic reaction, that is anaphylaxis and reaction to blood products. Injection succinylcholine. It is used to induce short-term paralysis, which will facilitate endotracheal intubation in case of emergency. Injection diazepam. Injection diazepam is used to control prolonged seizure. Injection calcium gluconate. Injection calcium gluconate is used to treat hypocalcemia, hyperkalemia, and magnesium toxicity. Injection mephentermine. Injection mephentermine is used to treat low blood pressure. Injection vasopressin. Injection vasopressin is used to treat critically low blood pressure in adult in shock who remains low blood pressure even after receiving fluid and medication in attempt to increase blood pressure. Injection vasopressin usually is the last resort to increase blood pressure.